Hey guys, what is going on? This is Wycliffe from TechHood254, and on this channel we help you learn how to make money online the legit way so that you don't spend a lot of time messing around with scams on the internet. Now, a lot of you have been asking us, how do I start my online business? How do I make money online? How do I make money online using my own business? And so this is the very video that you need to be watching if that's where you are at right now. In this video, we're going to be sharing with you two powerful methods that you can use to start making money online using your very own website. Now, if you don't have a website, don't worry, because that is the exact thing that we're going to be sharing with you on how to create your own website and how you can make money, passive income that will make you money years from now using these two powerful methods. Now, something else you need to know is that we are going to offer to create 10 websites for our viewers for the first 10 people to sign up for this particular website builder using our affiliate link in the description box below. So if you want to find out more on that, make sure to read the information that is down in the description box. But just before we dive into the video, let me give a huge thanks to the sponsor of this video, Hostgator, for allowing us to share their amazing platform with our audience, and I'm sure you guys are going to love it. Now, like I've said, we are going to be using two different methods to make money online with our own website. So let's dive into the first technique. So the first method is by creating a blog, or what is known as a niche website. So for those of you who don't know what a niche website is, simply put, this is where you are going to be publishing articles about a particular industry that people are looking for on the internet, or something that people are searching for. So there are three main categories that you could consider to go into. There's health and fitness, there is the wealth industry, and also there's the relationships industry. So there are many different types of blogs that you can create. You could create a blog on finance, you could create a blog on, health and fitness and training, and you could also create a blog on relationships. Anything that people are looking for is something that you can create articles on. And I know that you might be thinking, this is something that is so difficult, but actually the only thing that you need to do is to get started, because once you start putting those articles on there, it's going to be really easy. So I'm going to be sharing with you how you could break this down into different actionable steps so that you could get the right results with this. So the first thing that you need to do is create the blog, which I'm going to be showing you how to do in just a couple of minutes. The next thing that you need to do is to write articles on your blog. So you need to write about 15 to 20 articles around this particular topic that you are going to be choosing, or this particular niche. So after you've written these articles, you need to apply to Google Adsense for monetization, because this is one of the methods that you can use to earn money on your blog. And a lot of people are making huge amounts of money with AdSense on their blogs. And I'm just going to put some screenshots up on the screen for you so that you can see how much people are making per month with their blogs and how much people are even selling their blogs for. So this is something that can make you passive income monthly, and if you choose to do so after growing out your blog, it's something that you could also sell for thousands of dollars. So once you've applied for AdSense, the next thing that you're going to want to do is to monetize your blog also using what is known as affiliate banners. Now, you can get an affiliate program by signing up for an affiliate program that is specific to your niche, so that people are going to be interacting. While people are interacting with your content, then they are going to be able to click on these particular, banner ads. And the next thing that you need to do is to look for traffic. Now, don't worry about traffic, because if you are not really good with search engine optimization, you don't really need to worry about that, because there are several ways to get traffic to your blog or to your website for absolutely free. And the first method to do that is using Quora, which is a Q&A platform, and you could go and answer questions there and drive traffic to your blog. And another method that you can use, which is super, super powerful, and this platform has billions, or it has a couple of million, multi-million views or users, flocking to this platform every single month. This platform is known as Pinterest. So you could create pins on Pinterest and, channel that traffic to your blog. So essentially, you're going to be having thousands of people viewing your blog post and thousands of people, interacting with the affiliate content that you have on your blog post. And this is something that will make you passive income over a long duration of time. Now, the second method that you can use to make money online, which is a method that we have used personally at TechHood for a while now, is selling a digital product. Now, once you've created these blog posts and once you've created these articles, people are going to begin to see you as an authority in your industry. And so the next thing that you need to do with that, with that authority, and once people start to recognize you as somebody who knows what they're talking about, is you're going to need to create a digital product. Now, a digital product can be anything from an online course, an ebook, some form of training that you publish on your website, and you can sell this to people. Now, this is something you are going to be able to do on the Gator website builder, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that without any steps skipped. So the next part of this video is me sharing with you how to create this blog and how amazing this platform is. And make sure to stick around so that you find out how you can be part of those 10 people who will have their websites built by us. All right, so the first thing that we're going to be discussing is the pricing of this website builder. So when you click on the link below, it will take you to the Hostgator website builder landing page, which is what you're seeing on the screen right now. So you have 3 different options. And since we're getting started, we are going to select the Express Start option because this allows you to, get started, but you can always upgrade. So on this screen right here, you will select your domain name and enter in your billing information. And once you've made your payments, then you can head over to the place where we will be building our website. Now, the next thing that we're looking at is the features of this particular website. And kicking us off is the platform that you're going to see immediately after you've made your payments. You are going to land on your cPanel. So right here is where you are going to have every single thing pertaining to your website, from bookings all the way to support, everything that you are going to be doing, all the actions that you're going to be taking on your website. You can access that here really easily, and it's going to make your work a whole lot easier on this platform. So the next feature of Hostgator website builder that we're going to be looking at is the fact that it allows you to build your website in 2 different ways. Now, you could either go with the express method, which means you won't be selecting a template. You simply will have to answer a couple of questions and the builder will put something together for you pretty quickly. Now, the other method is that you could go the traditional way, which allows you to have access to several different templates that you can select and start editing from there. So as soon as you start editing your website, you're going to realize that this is one of the easiest platforms to build your website on. And this is one of my favorite features with Hostgator website builder because it has a drag and drop element to it that allows you to put anything wherever you want. So you're not really limited in terms of flexibility. You can click on these different sections here and add pretty much anything that you want to add on your website at different sections, and you can put buttons in various different places. So it's really amazing. Now, the next amazing feature that Hostgator website builder has for you is the blogging feature. Now, this blogging feature allows you to post articles here, and this is the primary method that we're going to be using to make money online. We want to write articles and publish them here. Now, as you can see, it allows you to add, images and video content, which is really great. And you're also going to be able to make your writing look pretty clear by including header 1 and header 2 title tags, which is amazing. And so you want to stay tuned for the next few videos, which I'm going to be publishing and teaching you how you can use this blogging feature to make money online. Now, the final feature that we're going to be taking a look at in this tutorial, or in this video rather, is the store feature that Hostgator allows you to have when using this website builder. So you can create a digital product. Like I mentioned earlier, this could be an ebook or some kind of guide, and you can upload the file to this platform, and your users will be able to download it once they've paid you for it. So you can set the download limits, and you can also set the price. And don't worry about not understanding everything right now, because I'm going to be creating a more detailed video on how to upload your product to this platform. Okay guys, so there you have it. That was the Gator website builder, and as you have seen for yourself, it's a really easy to use platform that's super intuitive, and you don't need any technical skills to create your online business using this platform. So like I mentioned earlier, we're going to be creating websites using this particular website builder for the first 10 people to sign up with our affiliate link down in the description box below. And we are also going to be giving you some free resources to help you fast track your earning process, so that you don't spend a lot of time, trying to figure things out. If you are going to sign up, for this website builder using our affiliate link, and you're not part of those 10 people, don't worry, because we're still going to be giving you those free resources. However, we won't be creating any other websites past those first 10 people. So I hope you guys have really enjoyed this video. And before I close, let me just mention two of the things that we really loved with this platform. And one is that their support is super exceptional. They're very fast, and if you have any issues with your website, they will get to you immediately. You can reach them through live chat, or you could also reach them by submitting a ticket, and they are available for you 24/7. The next thing we absolutely loved about this platform is that it doesn't take a tech genius to get started with this platform. So it's super newbie friendly, and it's also very affordable. So stay tuned for more videos, because that might not have been, a very lengthy video on how to use the platform. And so we're going to be doing a couple of more videos on the Hostgator website builder. I hope you liked this one. If you did, don't forget to give us that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.